And hello, everybody, and welcome as we head into a new semester. First of all, I just want to wish everyone a happy new year, and I hope that you enjoyed your holiday. And we are officially going to be kicking off starting Monday the new spring 2024 semester. So I'd like to welcome everybody back over here at Cheney University and introduce myself. My name is Professor Javier Black. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. And a lot of you I've already had for courses already, so I'm somewhat familiar with you in terms of your work ethic, and I have interacted with you as you are past students of mine or you have been prior students of mine and you have taken some of my other courses. So, want to first of all introduce to you the course that we're going to be taking here. This is travel and tourism. We're going to be looking at the travel as well as the tourism industry. All right, so what I'm going to do is this video is important. It's imperative for you to actually look and view this video. There will be another video that I will be following up and doing that will be on Monday. It will be uploaded on Monday afternoon, and that's going to cover the week one course content. It's going to be a small lecture of instruction, and I happen to do these videos on a weekly basis to kick off the new week as we engage in it. So the first thing that I want to direct everyone to do is click on the content section here. And I want everybody, of course, to click on the Start Here tab. And as you can see, my information is available. I am available for calls that would be 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Saturday. Now, I happen to be in the Midwest. I am an hour behind you. I'm in the Central Time Zone. Of course, that would be 5 to 8 my time. I also accept text messages. That would be 3 to 9 Eastern Standard Time on Monday through Saturday. So you ever need to reach out to me by phone or whatever it may be, you can call me during these time periods. Now, the one thing that I ask in terms of a response, okay, allow me to respond 24 hours for me to respond to your message. Now, normally what I normally do is I will expedite that process if you happen to call me on that day, and you will get a response from me on that same day. Normally maybe an hour, a couple of hours. It's depending upon my schedule. I do reach back out and I do return the call or the text message to my students. But as a precautionary measure, what I normally do is I just say allow 24 hours for me to actually respond to your message. A little bit more here, and as you can see, that's just my bio. You can read that in your own time in terms of what I have done, of what I've established and accomplished. Let's move on here. And you all are familiar with D2L. I don't think I have any freshmen here in the class that is in their first semester. Even if you are a second semester freshman, you are somewhat familiar going back from the fall semester when it comes to how D2L is set up for our learning management system. So the resources are available here. If you click on those, just click on the Cheney Resources tab. If you want to know more about your success, not only within this course, but all of your courses, your success with the university, you can click on this tab right here. Now, the one thing that I want to bring everybody's attention to, this is very important. It is crucial. The expectations tab. Make sure that you view this. And reason being is that there is a requirement. There is something that you need to do for me. And that would be is look over the class expectations, the 10 P's, if you scroll down, and what you need to do is you need to take a quiz. Now, this is 5 questions. You either answer yes or no regarding whether you have viewed the course expectations or not. Something to keep in mind. As you notice, okay, this is in very bold lettering. Make sure the first thing that you do is that you complete this quiz. If you don't, then none of your course assignments or discussion activities will be graded. So this is your portal, technically. Okay, consider this your entry point. Consider this the key to be able to open up everything else. Is that you will complete the 10 P's, the course expectations quiz, in order for you to begin to engage and do the discussion activities, as well as complete the assignment that is due towards the end of every week. So keep that in mind. This is one of the first things right here, class, that you need to do. You need to complete that quiz. If you don't, your assignments or activities of discussion will not be graded. Moving along here is the syllabus. This is the syllabus for the course. It's been uploaded in PDF. If you click on the PDF, this is the course right here. View the course as it has very important blurbs in it. It also gives the grade structures and percentages as well too. Very similar to format if you look at all your other courses that you have to be taking with the college, okay? There's really no contrast. There's a lot of similarities. So make sure you view the syllabus and get a general understanding of what the expectations are, along with legal terms and blurbs that happen to pertain to the university and its policies. Another thing you can do is you can also look at the required course materials. Okay, now this is where you're going to find your textbook. It is an ebook, and this is the required book for the course. So you click on the Vital Book Source Holder, and this is the textbook. You don't have to go out and purchase any other additional text. This is the textbook that we're going to be using for the course. You hit preview, as I just did, and it's going to actually load up the course itself, or the textbook, I'm sorry, and the different chapters. So this is the textbook that we're going to be using that's already been made available for you. Again, you do not have to purchase additional materials. And another thing that I want to mention here while we are in this video is I've also included PowerPoints. So as we go throughout the course of the week, these are the chapters that we're going to be covering, the 7.5 weeks that we are together. Okay, and this happens to be the PowerPoints, okay, which is based on the textbook terms definitions. It's pretty much just a summary. And of course, one thing as we get into the weeks that you will see along with the supporting materials is that I will be doing a video instruction that will be used as a guide in terms of what to expect throughout the course of the week, and also will elaborate on some terms and definitions. It's not an hour lecture. The max at times will probably be maybe anywhere between 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, and that's going to be something that I will be doing on a weekly basis, and it will be uploaded in every week pertaining to the course shell. For example, for week 1, Monday afternoon, I'm going to be uploading an additional video of instruction that's going to be dedicated to what we're going to be covering for week number 1. Okay, everyone, so keep in mind the objective here and what you're going to be doing. You are going to complete the 10 P's. You're going to view this video first, as it's going to be made available for you in the announcements. I'm going to make an announcement. I'm going to also stress the importance of you to view this video. This is going to be your initial guide and navigator. And then what you want to do is you want to complete the 10 P's, the course expectations quiz, which is just 5 questions. That's going to be your key to unlock everything else within the course, meaning in terms of completion, even though everything is being made available for you now to view in terms of all the weeks. Okay, everyone, stay tuned. All right, another video again will be coming up on Monday afternoon that will be covering the week 1 course content. It will also be a mini lecture. All right, everyone, enjoy your weekend, and I'm going to conclude this video. Professor Javier Black out.